Good morning, student. Today we will discuss chapter 14, binary logic. Development of binary logic. First is the Boolean logical values. So we discuss the Boolean logic. A branch of algebra in which all the operations are either true or false, or yes or no, and all the operation can be expressed with the logical operator is known as Boolean logic. It was discovered by George Boole in 1854. Boolean value. The value of Boolean logic variable is truth value 1 for true and 0 for false. And it is used in digital word, logical gate and circuit programming. What do you mean by the digital word? All the electronics equipment that have the circuit and contain the logical gates is the digital word, and all these type of equipment are based on the Boolean values 0 and 1. It's mean on or off, yes or no, or true or false. Boolean variable, the variable which have truth value 0 and 1. Binary decision, that result is either 1 or 0. Truth table, it is a table that represents all the output based on all the possible input combination. What do you mean by the input combination? If we have two variable, then we have the four possible combination. If we have three variable, 2 raised to power 3, 8 combination. If we have four variable, then 2 raised to power 4, 16 combination. The truth table of two variable and truth table of three variable. First we discuss the truth table of two variable. We consider x and y are the two variable. Possible state is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Total number of state is 4. 1 and 2. Once mean repeat once time 0, 1, 0, 1. 2. Repeat two time 0, 0, 1, 1. Truth table of three variable 4, 2, 1. Repeat one time 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Two time 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Four time 4 times 0 4 times 1. The possible state is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the total number 8. This is the possible 8 combination. Logical operator. We have three type of operator: not, and, or. Not operator operate on the single variable. Operation performed complement. Complement means change. Symbol denoted by x complement. Truth table of not. One variable, then there is the two possible value 0 and 1. If the input state is 0, complement it 1. If the input state is 1, then complement to 0. In case of AND operator, it can apply two or more variables. Not operator only single variable, and operator two or more. Operation performed logical multiplication. Symbol dot. Representation with the dot symbol. What is performed? It is a logical multiplication. Can be applied two or more variable. For example, two variable x and y. The possible state is 4 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then x multiplied by y is 0 multiplied by 0 0, 0 multiplied by 1 0, 1 multiplied by 0 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 1. It give x dot y true only when both variable have true value. Consider this. Both variable have true value, then the answer is 1, otherwise answer is false. Next is the OR operator. OR operator can be applied on the two or more. Operation performed logical addition. Symbol is plus. Consider the same truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then x plus y is the 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1. It is not a binary addition. 1 plus 1 is not 10. It is a logical expression, so 1 plus 1 is 1. X plus y is true if either of logical value is true. X plus y is true. One means true. Then either of logical value x or y or both have the true value, then it is the true. For example, consider the example x plus y dot z bar plus z bar. How it can be represented in truth table? First, x, y, z, 3 variable, 7 state, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 bar 0, 2 bar 1, 2 bar 0, 2 bar 1, 4 bar 0, 4 bar 1. Then y dot z. First we calculate the z bar. Z bar means opposite state, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. The state is input. The value of input is changed to opposite. So 1 का opposite 0, 0 का opposite 1. Then we calculate y dot z. That is the AND operator. Multiplication of y and z. Answer is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The answer is this. Then find out the complement not operator of this. So input state change to next. 0 change to 1 and 1 change to 0. This. Then combination is x plus y z bar. y z bar और x. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों का जब हम जोड़ करेंगे दैट इज द एडिशन. इट मे बी लॉजिकल एडिशन. देन 0 प्लस 1 1, 0 प्लस 1 1, 0 प्लस 1 1, 0 प्लस 0 0. This is the answer. And then we add this to z bar. Z bar is this. So both term is addition and final addition. Answer is this. This is the possible truth table of any Boolean algebra. Next we discuss later. Kindly read this and try the expression.